Hello everybody, welcome back. And right now I'm just going to Norfolk Hill, which I am in pretty much every vlog. I'm pretty bored considering it's a 2-week holiday, and we sometimes usually go on holiday and stuff, so we pretty much have plenty to do. But this holiday we don't have that much to do, but I have an Easter egg hunt video coming up. If I can't film that, then I'll show you guys what I get from the Easter egg hunt and that. And I've chosen my Easter egg today, and it was awesome. It was like this Rocky Road mallow thing, and it was like heaven, man, heaven. But yeah, it's my dad's birthday this weekend, on Thursday, and I'm so excited because I've got a picture of me and my dog sitting, because my mom's friend took a picture of us, made it into a picture frame. It's awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get Kira in this vlog, because I just not there, guys. And I'm actually gonna have a phone here. So yeah. Forever. Okay guys, so she didn't answer, so fail. But yeah, this vlog should just be an unusually afternoon vlog, unless I afternoon, because yeah, I'm gonna run and do my plan. Yeah guys, so we're going to go and pretty much just do one hammer day, guys. Don't actually know what I'm gonna call this vlog, but once I've filmed it, I'll obviously know what to call it. Yeah. I'm just gonna go back in now. So yeah. There you guys are right in between my knees. It's almost squishy collection. I might as well just put this into this vlog. This is a very short vlog. And I have the glitter foam clay. Awesome. Oh jeez. Love them. Oh yeah, my friends. And Charlotte got a hammer. Definitely watch out my opening video. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Thanks for watching this really short vlog. It's probably only like 3 minutes long, but anyways, that is what I'm doing. Nothing. Might be going out to buy my dad a birthday card. I will add that into this vlog. If we do not, then I will say goodbye. Or I probably will do that after. But yeah, so that is my plan for the day. So I'll see you guys in the next clip, wherever it will be. Heading off to buy my dad a birthday card, so yeah, let's go. We're in Tesco's right now, and I don't know what drink to get, but like, don't know what drink to get right now, guys. But I'm probably gonna get feel like getting an orange tango, but then I need to drink it, so I don't know what to do. Yeah, so guys, I might be getting mushrooms, so yeah, but I decided to get a vintage still and no added sugar, so we should be good. I can't see it. I can't see it because I'm in the back. Oh yeah, it is. Rubbish blew away. God. it sticks. Yeah. I'm going crazy right now. I'm bored. I like showing you guys my Easter egg right now. I'm crazy. I'm going crazy now. Heaven. Look at how interesting. Not a Cadbury's Easter egg, so it's not going to be like, but I mean, marshmallows, chocolate, just like, come on, man. Why does it stick my tongue? I'm such a baby. I have to show you my dad's present now, so yeah, I'm just going to get it. So yeah, bye. My eyebrows. Bye. Peace out. So bored right now, guys. Bye. Peace out. No, that's different.